Guys, welcome to the DeFi Einstein YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to be continuing where I stopped in the former video where I showed you how to set up your Maestrobot. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to buy a token using the MAESTRO Sniper Bot. Alright, so this is our menu. You can always click on Sniper. You understand? Once you click on this Sniper, you see you can come here also and click on, and you can type it like I showed you in the other video. Alright, so you see this is showing you the details of your wallet. It's telling that you don't have any active trades on this wallet. You can see active trade 0, disabled trade 0, auto snipe 0, pre-sale, active pre-sale 0. Alright, so one thing you want to click on is to click on your wallet. You can see wallet, click on wallet here. So you click on wallet. Alright, thereafter we are going to buy a token on the Binance Smart Chain, this BSC. Alright, so we click on BSC. Alright, can you see these details? These details here, I funded this wallet. You can see this is the wallet address. I funded this wallet. Alright, this is on the Binance Smart Chain. You can see the chain is Binance Smart Chain. Alright, so you can see this is the wallet. You can see the amount of BNB I have in this wallet. So I'm going to be buying a token on the Binance Smart Chain. So the first thing we have to now do now, after we've done this, is we are going to click on this menu again. You can see menu here, this menu at this angle. You click on it and you click on quick. You can see quick. Alright, so once you click on quick, you can see settings of the wallet. The first thing we want to change to look out for, we are going to be saying our slippage is 9%. Alright, so and you can see that, see all these other details. This wallet is not set to auto buy pasted contract. I will make a video where I will teach on how to buy any project with this auto buy pasted contract. I will make another video on that. All right, so we can also what we are doing in this video is to buy a project by pasting the contract, and we now enter the buy amount. All right, so that's what we are going to paste. We are going to paste the project you want to buy, like the project contract address, and we are going to buy it. All right, so this is the project. I've already copied the contract address of this particular project, so I'll just come here and paste the contract address. You can see this is the contract address, so I'll send. Once I entered it, I'll just click on send. All right, so you see one thing I want you to take note of. You see it brought out the details of this project. You can see new card NCT is a token on the Binance Smart Chain. Alright, this is the contract address which I pasted. So you will see details on the project. You can see these are details about the project. So I want you to come down. There's something you want to check for. You can see, you will see the market cap, the taxes. These taxes is actually referring to the slippage that you want to use. Alright, you can see the project is currently around 33,000 market cap. So taxes, you can see this B stand for buy. The buy tax is 5%. The sell tax also is 5%. So you have to take note of that. So the next thing we are going to do is to come back again and click on this quick. All right, because we have to set if we have to set our slippage to that exact buy tax. So we click on slippage. You can see I click on this slippage. This was the slippage I click on. I want you to see this the slippage. This was what I click on slippage. All right, so I'm trying to change the slippage. So the slippage that we saw there, the tax is what 5. So we'll just input 5. All right, we input 5. All right, so that's 5. You can see the slippage percentage set to 5. You can see it is already showing 5 here. From 9 it was before. All right, so you must be certain of that. So the next thing we have to do here now is we can come back again and paste that contract address again. All right, we'll paste it. Once I paste the contract address, I'll click on send. All right, you can see. So this is it. So now I want to buy this particular token. So you can see you can see showing that this is slippage 5%. So I can buy maybe 0.01 worth of BNB of this token. All right, and one thing I forgot to share with you is that once you open a wallet like this, the next thing that I would advise you to do is that write down your secret phrase like I showed you the other time in the previous video. Write out your secret phrase and go and import your secret phrase. Go and import it on your Trust wallet. Trust wallet is a decentralized wallet. Open so that it will be easier for you to fund that wallet using your Trust wallet. You understand? So that's what I did with this my own wallet. All right, so what you need to do here now is I want to buy this particular token. All right, so I can decide to buy with 0.01 worth of BNB. I'll just click on buy 0.01 BNB. It will buy automatically. I can click on buy 0.05 BNB. I can click on any amount here, and I can this buy X BNB. Buy X BNB is for me to buy maybe a specific amount. Maybe I want to buy $5 worth of BNB of this token. I will input it. Ape Max is me buying the maximum. You know, there are some wallets that there are some particular project that they have, what's the name called? They have a minimum that you can buy. Like they have a maximum rather that you can buy per wallet. So Ape Max is certainly for that you buy the maximum the wallet can buy. So for some project they can say, oh, no wallet can buy above maybe 1% of total supply, and the 1% might be maybe 5 million or 5 billion. All right, so that's where Ape Max works. And buy X token is if I want to buy maybe I want to buy maybe 1 million pieces of new cat, I'll just input 1 million pieces here. So it's something that you can, if I click on it, you see buy X token. You can see reply to the percentage of supply, example 1% or token amount. So I can say you should buy 1% of supply of maybe of the total supply of this project, or I should just input the amount manually, like 100, you understand, maybe 100, 1 million, 1 billion, and many more. All right, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using buy XBNB. This one, buy XBNB. I'm going to be inputting the amount of BNB I want to buy. So that's what I'm clicking on, buy XBNB. All right, so I'll click on buy XBNB. All right, you can see it said reply to me your desired buy amount, minimum amount. So you say you must use a valid number between. Okay, so I'm inputting 0. I want to buy 0.0095 worth of BNB of this particular project. So once I input this amount, I'll click on enter, send. All right, so you can see the error, your slippage tolerance was violated. Ensure that your slippage is higher than token taxes. And so you can just come back again and just click on, what's the name called? We can come here, click on menu, click on quick, so we can change our slippage. Obviously there is, one thing about this Maestro Sniper Bot is if you are buying any project, maybe you are entering a project that there is a high volume on the project. The best thing is if the slippage is 5, that you enter with what you use 6 as your slippage. So let's change our slippage to 6. We can change to 6, or even we can change to 5.5. All right, just to increase it, we can change to 5.5. all right, so let's input the project again. Let's input it, this new card. So let's click on buy XBNB. All right, so we are buying 0. We are buying this amount. This is the amount I'm buying, so I'll just enter it. All right, you can see it was successful already. Let's go back. You see approved transaction succeeded. You understand? So you can see, so it will tell you the particular market cap you enter. You can see, you see buy transaction succeeded main. Hope you can see this information. So this is the information you can see. So succeeded main, you see it will tell you the amount I was able to buy. All right, this is the amount I was able to get. That's almost 59 billion pieces of this token. All right, it shows you the attempted market cap, the market cap you bought. That's one of the beautiful thing about it. All right, so you can just come here. You see this. So if you want to sell now, I can just come. If I want to sell, I'll just tell it. I can tell it to sell initials. If I click on sell initials, this particular one, if I click on sell initials, it means that I should sell. Like once maybe the project moves to like maybe from 30 something K market cap to around 80K market cap, it will obviously sell maybe the initial amount. Like sell initial is like securing my capital for me. You understand? I can click on sell X%. Maybe I want to sell. Imagine I want to sell. Probably I want to sell this sell X%. Maybe I want to sell maybe 25%, 80%. I can even click on 25%. I can click on any of this percentage that you are seeing here. I can click on this 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%. So it is very, very fast rather than you going down to use your pancake swap to buy. So in subsequent videos, I'm going to be showing you advanced option settings that you can do using your MAESTRO Sniper Bot. But this is just beginners, just for beginners. So anybody that watched this video and the previous one, you should be able to buy any token whatsoever using your MAESTRO Sniper Bot and to also sell any token. Alright, so thank you for watching. Do ensure to like this video, share it, and subscribe to this channel. I love you. Thank you.